Happy Wednesday. I'm Walter. I am a Metro Boston area on-location studio portrait photographer. I go to people's homes, businesses, studio space, and occasionally outside. Today I'm going to be talking about why I love using the Manfrotto Scrim, which I'll have right here. Got it from B&H. It comes in a kit like this. It has the shoot-through two-stop diffuser. Also has a silver, a white, and a black fabric inside. Black, silver, white. I set it by myself, easy peasy. Comes in a nice case. Has these grips so you can attach it to the light stands, which are not included. I had to have the light stands, but these come with it by Avenger. Very nice grips. I've seen a bunch of people use rolling stands, which I think is pretty smart, but for me, I don't really need that yet. Similar to the halos, once you take it out of the box, they all click together and they click in, and they have these little elastics inside that pretty much is foolproof. Then you clip on the material to the stand. Very secure, very tight, and that's in a vertical format. A little pricey, but it's extremely well made. I feel like I'll have it for a number of years. This is Aaron. This was the first time I used the Scrim. It was extremely easy to set up. I have a couple of Manfrotto stands, which I'll have the description and exactly what they are. I always have my silver white halo with me. I have sandbags. I got those from B&H. And this would be the short little clip of capturing what I consider window light all the time. My light is a NANLITE Forza 500 going directly through the Scrim. That backdrop worked perfectly with Aaron's sweater. During the session, my Sony A7RIV is mounted on top of a Gitzo Series 3 Mountaineer tripod with a Series 3 ball head, so I'm able to make quick adjustments. That's the name of the Scrim. Got it from B&H. This stand is a convertible stand I've had for at least 20 years. I have two of them, and I repurposed it to be my COVID-19 reflector so I can keep my distance. So one light, window light. Silver is more specular, and then white is softer. So I use the white light, the white side, to do a fill light. I try to continue talking while I'm photographing. Those stands fold up really nice, and I go right into my Avenger rolling case. Should always have sandbags. You don't want anything falling on anybody. That's the portrait. ISO 200, f4, 1/200th of a second. White balance is 5400. And I also photographed two other people, but this is a little bit longer look at Erin. She has nice brown eyes. The sweater matches perfectly with the backdrop. One light, reflector, all the time window light. I also have a backdrop that matches perfectly with somebody with green eyes and a green sweater. Here I have the NANLITE Forza 500. And then my camera is a Sony A7RIV with a 28-135 lens. I fell in love with that lens during COVID. Keep my distance. It's sharp as a tack. The Gitzo Mountaineer Series 3 tripod is super lightweight, easy to set up, and I love that ball head. Once I set it, it's solid as a rock. All of my Sony cameras have a Atomos Ninja V on them to record the BTS. I like using sliders. My old Gitzo Mountaineer tripod is now holding my Sony ZV-1, but I like Gitzo so much, I even have the little baby one that I have on top of the desk. This thing's, I think it's probably the cutest tripod you can never get. I do like it. It has an amazing ball head. You just loosen it up, and then, but once you lock it in, it's sweet. So I have this on the desk. So if I'm doing any type of side action, I bring all my backdrops with me. So I have a white and black one, which works perfectly. And for this one, I used a NANLITE Forza 500 as the main light and a NANLITE Forza 300 as a kicker, as you can see in the photo on the right. The Forza 500 is the main light, and then I have the Forza 300 just as a wraparound kicker. Once again, it's nice when people have a seat, comfortable. So this is X5, which is what I have, then a square one, then a big one. I think the 3.6 by 6.5 is a perfect size with free shipping. Well, hopefully just a little short video about why I like using the Manfrotto Medium Pro Scrim all-in-one kit. So, have a nice day. And if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. And if you want me to continue doing these short videos and maybe longer videos, hopefully you think about subscribing. So, have a wonderful day.